guys, it's story time. But first, it's time to check in with my mood meter. Today, I am in the red. I'm in the red because it's raining outside and I really wanted to play Frisbee. But you know what I can do? I can play some indoor games. That will help me feel much better. Thanks. How are you guys feeling today? Don't forget, check in with your mood meter. Tell your mom and dad why you feel that way. Okay, it's now time to read a book called David Gets in Trouble by David Shannon. That's right, that's the same author as No David by David Shannon. In this book, David is a little older and he keeps making mistakes again. But instead of saying sorry, he keeps making up excuses. So let's find out more about David Gets in Trouble by David Shannon. David gets in trouble. Oh no, there's Mom again with her hands on her hips and her feet going up and down. She doesn't seem too happy. When David gets in trouble, he always says, "No, it's not my fault." He thinks he's an angel. Look at the picture. I didn't mean to do it. Look at that. He's playing skateboard in the house or riding his skateboard. You're not supposed to do that. He's knocking down furniture. But instead of saying, "Sorry, I won't do it again," he says, "I didn't mean to." Uh-oh, look what happened. He was playing baseball and the ball went through someone's window, knocked down a plant, and broke the window. It was an accident. Yes, it was an accident, but you have to be very careful. You shouldn't be playing ball too close to windows or glass. Let's see what happened on this page. Oh, let's zoom in. He doesn't look too happy. He kind of looks upset. Do I have to? His mom made him a nice breakfast with eggs and juice, but he doesn't want to eat it. Do I have to? Uh-oh. Here's David being silly again. I forgot. He forgot his pants. What a silly boy. Uh-oh, he's in school now. Everyone seems to be in school learning. My dog ate my homework. What kind of excuse is that? My dog ate my homework. Oh, there is the doggy in the window. But if your dog ate your homework, that means you're not being very careful. You have to sit in a nice place in your house, make sure your dog is not next to you when you're doing your homework. You have to be more responsible. Now it looks like picture day. Oh, look at all the children using their best smiles, except for David. Look at that silly face. I couldn't help it. Ruining his picture day for him and all his friends. Uh-oh. Look at this page. He's eating his dog's food. I was hungry. Well, if you're hungry, David, tell Mom. Don't eat dog food. You're going to get sick. Never mind, your poor dog will have no more food to eat. Look at him pulling the cat's tail. But she likes it. Does it look like she likes it? No, poor kitty. That's very mean, David. Oh, on this page, he has so much stuff in his hands. It says, "It slipped." Look at his face. Let's zoom in on his face here. And let's see. How do you think David is feeling here? He has his potato chips and his donuts and his Twizzlers, his snacks, and a grape juice. And boom, that grape juice falls down. Yeah, I think he's kind of angry too. He's upset with himself that he dropped his juice. But instead of saying, "I'm sorry," it just said, "It slipped." Maybe next time, just take one or two things in. Not all your food plus your dinosaur. That's not being very careful. David has soap in his mouth. But Dad says it. Oh, he must have said a bad word, a grown-up word that you're not supposed to use. Now he has soap in his mouth. Burp! Oh, he just burped at the dinner table. Excuse me. Boy, oh boy. No, it wasn't me. It wasn't you. Well, then what is that all over your face, David? Look at your handprint. Looks like someone's special cake. Maybe it's someone's birthday. Looks like you ruined it, David. But look at David that night. He couldn't sleep. Look at him. Look how sad he looks. The blue. I agree, he looks sad. Yes! It was me. Poor David. He couldn't sleep because he kept thinking that he ruined someone's special birthday cake. I'm sorry. So he woke up his parents. We were right. He's sad. He's sorry for what he's done. Do you think Mom and Dad will forgive them? Of course. I love you, Mom. Now he feels loved. So boys and girls, the valuable message in this story is honesty is the best policy. It's okay if you make mistakes, but you just have to say, I'm sorry, I'll try better next time. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this story. Before we end, let's do our feeling song. Do you know about social awareness? Do you know what makes you sad? Do you know what makes you happy? Do you know what makes you mad? Do you know how to calm yourself? Make others feel better too. Do you know how to forgive them and say you're sorry too? If you answered yes, you are a star student at their best. Do you know about self-awareness? All right, guys, before we go, don't forget, you should have your mood meter at home. If you did not make one, you can always go to Lakeshore. They have this cool mood meter. You could color it, cut it out, and every day you could talk about your feelings. It's on Lakeshore. All right, guys, enjoy this rainy day. Have a good one. Bye.